Let's see what we can find in this colorful Ecuador pavilion.
The country of the four worlds in the center of the world. The country with the highest biodiversity per square kilometer of the Earth. Equatorian Pavilion is very full of different videos about their animals, their plants. They're talking about their biodiversity, and at the same time, they have a place where you can buy Equatorian food here and also some souvenirs.